Hello and welcome to this Redstore video where we're going to cover the recovery of Teams back to Microsoft 365. So I've logged into redstore.com, made my way into the marketplace, logged in as a customer, and as you can see I've got G Suite, Microsoft 365, backup and recovery and archiving for servers, desktops and laptops available. So in this case we're going to click on the tile for Microsoft 365 and this will launch us into the Redstore app. And then over on the left hand side you'll see I've got G Suite, Microsoft 365 and machines. So in this case I'm going to click on Microsoft 365. Then I'm going to select my Teams area. And as you can see I've got 5.6 gigs worth of Teams data backed up and protected, and the last backup was on the 14th. So right the way over here on the right hand side there's a recover button. And when I click on that you'll see that there's two options. Either to recover Teams back to Microsoft 365, or we can perform a recovery of the files using the Redstore Instant Data. Now we'll cover that in a second video later on. So in this video I'm going to concentrate on recovery back to Microsoft 365 in the cloud. So I'm going to choose the Teams option. And now you can see all of the Teams sites and channels that I've currently backed up. So I'm going to focus in on one of them. And this one here, I've got some test data, so I could either do a full recovery from here, or in this case I want to actually browse into the individual Teams channels. So I'm going to select a date, select the channel, and then I can see all of the files that are currently backed up within that Teams channel. So in my case what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the entire channel and click on recover at the bottom of the screen. So this will then ask me for my authentication back with Microsoft 365. So I pop in those credentials and the password, and this will instigate the restore process. Fantastic! So now that the restore is completed, I can instruct my user to go back to their Microsoft 365, and in this case I'm going to browse over to my Teams area and look at my Teams channels. So this is the original Teams channel data. Right at the very top of the screen we'll create a wiki with the date and timestamp of the restore. Now you're able to browse that wiki and then you'll be able to see all of the files and any of the chat discussions about the file. So in this case let me just go and click on this PDF and then we'll be able to view that document. So Teams recovery is as simple as that. Thanks ever so much for watching.